and we can project it right onto that ghost.
It looks super cool, and it actually looks real.
Yeah, it actually looks better in real life than it looks
on camera.
Hey everybody, today we're gonna do something different. We're gonna do a video for parents, right? Right, assistant?
Right.
So assistant's just gonna walk around, but we're gonna show you some things about how we set up for a really spooky Halloween, right?
Right.
So first of all, this is our newest prop. It's a giant inflatable haunted house.
It's huge.
It's absolutely huge. So we got it from Sayak, and it uses this gigantic compressor, which is right there, and it lights up. And so for Halloween, we're gonna put it over our driveway, and we're gonna sit inside of it while we hand out candy, right, assistant?
Right.
You'll be trick-or-treating. So for Halloween, we really decorate our yard. So this right now is our backyard, but we'll put it all in our front yard. So this right here is the fort that we build. So usually in about, I don't know, in August, I'll build this giant fort right here. And we make it different every year. So you can see we just have regular panels. This is our big giant inflatable. Look how high it goes. So we build that. And then we have, we're not going to show you everything that we have, just a lot of it, right? Some of our favorite things.
Yeah. I really like this because it has
The curtain. She likes the curtain. So this is our big pumpkin house. And we actually have two of these. One of these is at the studio right now that we use. And then we'll take you over here.
We have a couple of those.
We actually have 3 of these. I think we bought these on Amazon.com. And they're like,
cool because it's double.
It's got double curtains, so it's a little haunted house. Like that. And then we have actually 2 of these pumpkin things. Right now we're only using 1 of them. And then you probably heard the assistant at some point saying that she's going to go through the shortcut. And all that is this right here, are these vines. And the vines actually is a muscadine plant. So
They're good.
they're pretty good, aren't they? We don't actually eat them in videos because we don't want kids to like randomly eat things that they see. So we never eat them, but if you ever have a chance to eat a muscadine, they're fantastic. So here's our little black cat. We had him for how many years, do you think? 2 or 3?
Yeah.
Probably, I think this is the 3rd Halloween for the black cat.
Yeah, I think so. We had it in our yard last year.
Yeah, and then assistant's wearing a kind of a custom-made costume. We like that.
But just a pink shirt and a
Yeah. So we use that because it actually looks really good when we're doing these Halloween videos.
And we got ears and gloves from the actual costume.
Yeah, we have. She actually has ears and gloves, but
They don't fit.
yeah, they're getting a little small. So we call this as a shortcut, which really is just the side of the yard. And you can see one of the things that we like to do is we like to have like with multiple entrances. So the assistant, you have friends come over and you guys like to play hide and seek back here, don't you?
Yes.
So that is one of the things. So we film back here, but it's also like a hide and seek place for lots of fun.
Yeah, one of my favorite things.
Show us what one of your favorite things is.
Oh, I like this prop.
So this
Put
prop right
candy
here.
on it, and then when you open it,
Oh, try that again. It says open with caution, right? And open it
pet
out.
spider.
Pet spider. And a spider comes out. But she actually put candy inside of it, didn't you?
Yes.
So we got that on Amazon.com, which is pretty
And
fun.
the labels come from the label maker.
We made the label ourselves. This right here is a new prop, the lantern. We got this year at Target.
Yeah, this is like, we've only had this for like 2 weeks.
But you know what? It's really, really bright, so we like it. So when we film like dark videos, it like works well.
Yeah.
And this is something we got last year. We got more of them this year.
We have 3 now.
It's a mist maker. And all it is like a little bubbler down here. See it? And it creates this mist. And we got that at the spirit store. So that's fun. We've had that, like I said, we did one of them last year.
One of my favorite spots is down the slide, and there's this little area.
Why don't we do that next? Let's just show all these things here. So this right here is another one of our very favorite props.
Oh, yes.
And it says Halloween radio, and if you've seen it, it makes it into almost every video we have.
Yeah. There's a video of Ghost Be Gone, and
Yeah, and again, it's just a little Target prop, and it's real fun and kind of cool.
they remade the buttons. There's a different color buttons at Target now, but we saw it at Target like a week ago.
Yeah, so
It's still there.
they still have it, for sure. All right, and so Another thing that we do for our Halloween, we'll do a video like this for Christmas too, because we've got to get a lot of Christmas props.
I want to do the giant teddy bear. Should we bring the giant Santa Claus?
We've got to figure out what we're going to do when we show people how we do it, decorate for Christmas.
Yeah.
So we've got a lot of these inflatables. I think we got most of them probably on Amazon.com.
And the Spirit Store.
Yeah, and Target. Most of them are Target, Lowe's, and Amazon. I think these right here were from Amazon. We have these, which are from Target.
Some of these you can also find at the Disney Store.
That's right, the ones for Haunted Mansion, right? This is just the house that the assistant had when she was, I think we put in when you were 2, right?
I don't know.
2 or 3 years.
The doorbell doesn't even work anymore.
That's right, it has a doorbell, but it doesn't work anymore, but that's okay. It's
and
still.
we put flowers in it.
If you look in our videos, you'll see that for whatever season, we have flowers that match it. Mrs. Engineer is very studious about that, right?
Yeah.
All right, and so here are a couple more props that we have. This guy right here is the new Target prop. And he talks, but we're not gonna have him talk right now. And then this is kind of our newest thing. We love doing cool little like inventions. And so let's back up. So we have a picture of what it looks like lit up. So assistant, come over, why don't you go around that side right there. So right there you will see what it looks like when it's lit up. And then that's it now. And all it is just a pumpkin, and we have a projector right here. And we use effects from Atmos Effects to do it. So it's just a little, this is an SQ projector right here. And it projects onto the pumpkin, and then we can get the sound by this little speaker. So that is how that works. So that's pretty.
You can also project it on a wall, but it looks most cool and it's on 3D objects.
Yeah, we can do other things too. So we can make it look like through windows, and then even the ghost. And we'll show you the ghost in a second. So show us this way, assistant. So we've got our little back area. And this one's just a bamboo fence.
This one we've had for like 2 or 3 years.
This is what we started out with when we started making our Halloween pool.
So this is old.
Yeah, and the reason why we don't use bamboo anymore
is it falls.
It wants to fall over. Every time the wind blows, it falls over. And it's actually a lot more expensive than the regular wood panels that we use.
And the wood panels are more convenient.
Yep, definitely. So this is our normal area back here.
Yeah, so once this is all taken down, this is like a reading nook or something.
That's right. So what we do is we plant all this in grass, and it's really shaded. It's kind of a shaded part of our yard. And but right now it's just a secret room. Yeah, it's just a secret room. So we got these gargoyles. We actually bought these at the Spirit Store 3 years ago.
Yeah, these are one of our first props.
Yeah, and they don't make it into a lot of videos because they are heavy and they're actually kind of fragile.
So,
we broke one of these wings off before, so that was bad.
I'm not sure which one. It's right here. This is the one.
Oh yeah, this one's broke a little bit, but we have another one at the studio that's broken like big time.
And these are like one of our first props.
They were some of our very first props.
And if you ever look on one of our videos where it's like at the studio and we do a magic mirror video, you'll see right next to it is one of our prop, and that's one of our very first props.
Oh yeah, the trees that we have at the studio are some of our first ones. We'll show you those in a different video though. So this is our nerdy Halloween pumpkin.
Yeah, we call it the King Pumpkin.
He's pretty fun. We got him at Lowe's this year, actually.
Yeah, this year.
This year, so now let's go show them how we do our ghost, okay?
Okay. You want me to grab the key projector?
I'll grab it. So we come back around. So again, if you see our videos and you get scared or you get a little frightened, just remember it's all make-believe. We just do it for fun. So here is our ghost.
And it's just a sheet over like a balloon.
Yeah, it's literally a sheet over a balloon, like a little. And again, we bought that from Atmos Effects. And then Atmos, we have, I say Atmos, it's A-T-M-O-S, then FX. And then we put their effect on these little memory cards, which is in here. And we can project it right onto that ghost.
It looks super cool, and it actually looks real.
Yeah, it actually looks better in real life than it looks
on camera.
On camera. It's one of the very few things that looks better in real life. Usually it's like, well, when we see it, it doesn't look as cool, but on that one it looks super fantastic. So that is that. So that's, again, it's just a little projector, and then onto that. All right, so you wanted to show us your...
This is the secretest room, and It's actually, if you don't really know how to get out of it, it's hard to get out of it.
It's like really hard to get out of it.
So there's a fence that connects, well, that has a fence to it. Some people think that they have to go around, but we'll show you the secret door.
All right, so the assistant is going to go down, and I'm actually not going to go down the slide because this is a video for parents, so I'm not going to force myself to go down that slide. So the assistant's going to come down. Ta-da! And that's another room. Now you can go out that fence and walk through the woods,
Or
all the way back around to get into our yard, or you
can just crawl on the ground.
Now, the thing we have to do every Halloween, or anytime the assistant wants to use that slide, is see how
Clean it out.
See how close it is to the woods? What likes to get into that slide?
Spiders.
Spiders. And I find that a lot of these kids really don't like playing with real spiders. No, they don't. So spiders and the cobwebs. So I go through it. I go through it actually head first, all the way down. I clean out all the spider webs. Right? All right, let's go back out and show them the other side of it, okay?
Okay.
So this is our fort. Oh, let's show them the. Let's show
What
them
about
Arnold.
this? How we did the spider webs.
Oh yeah, we'll show them spider webs. So this
Spider
is.
webs took a long time.
So this is Arnold. We actually specially bought Arnold.
Yeah, and if you notice, we kind of call them a little different names in each video. I called him Harold, Harry, and a lot of other names.
Yeah, we play around with
This
these.
is an old prop, so we've kind of forgotten the name of the time.
And then these are our trees that are on fire. And all that is, it's a projection to make it on a glass to make it look like it's on fire. Well, I think we got those at Lowe's, right?
Right, wait, maybe.
We did. I remember the item at Lowe's. And then there's Waggles. He's looking for us right now. Hey, Wags. He likes to come back here. Him and Wiggles like to come back here and look for rabbits.
Oh, yes. Don't say that. They'll go crazy.
Yeah, they don't know the word rabbit. They know the word bunny. Bunny? You say bunny?
They say, if you say bunny, rabbit.
Yeah, then they go for it. So this is the other side, and we usually don't show this part of it.
This is my swing set.
This is the assistant's magic carpet, her swing set, and it's just on the other side. Right, Wags? Oh, and one more thing we're going to show you, because he's been in the yard for years and years.
What?
Let's show him.
Oh, what about the dinosaurs?
Right over there. Do you see him behind that pumpkin? I'll zoom in.
Oh, wait, can I tell him a funny story?
It's Michelangelo.
Yeah, it's kind of hidden in each video. It doesn't really move around though.
Why does he not move around, assistant?
Because one time we were playing Capture the Flag with Mickey. This is just me and Mr. Engineer. We were just playing for fun because we had just done a video on it, and we were racing from Michelangelo or Leonardo, whatever his name.
So we were racing from Michelangelo to another post, so we had to move Michelangelo. And what was inside of him?
No, I ran into him.
Well, that's right, you ran into him, and what was inside of him?
And a wasp nest, and I started running, looking back, and I ran into a chair face first, and I flipped.
Yeah, we never filmed that, but it'd been funny if we did. So she ran into Michelangelo.
And then we saw wasps.
He was full of bees. The bees came out, chased the assistant, and then she tripped on a chair.
And then I fell.
And then she fell. It was pretty scary.
That was like 2 years ago, maybe.
Or more.
Oh, and this actually real spiders have moved into.
So we
all
used,
this is
so
hot air.
So this is hot glue. It's hot glue where we made these fake spider webs, right?
Yeah, but it took a long time to make.
So we made all these fake spider webs for a video.
And we hung them on the tree. And actually, over time, since we keep them on this thing, we never took them off. Spiders actually moved into them.
Like the night that we put down all these spider webs, that night, actual spiders started using them for their webs, didn't they?
Yeah, ooh, pre-made spider web.
They're like, oh, somebody's doing the work for us.
Yeah.
All right, people, so this is how we are decorating for Halloween, or how we set up our forts for everything. And we store it, and usually what we'll do is mid-October, all this stuff, we're done filming for Halloween, we move it to our front yard, and we're ready for Halloween, right?
Right, and we might even do a front yard tour. The front yard's pretty
Maybe on Halloween we'll show them what our actual yard looks like for Halloween, right?
Yeah, and if we wanted to do a Christmas one,
Yeah,
the Christmas one's probably gonna be pretty
Christmas tour is kind of crazy because we have a lot more props for it. Right?
Yeah, but for the front yard, we have a lot of props.
All right, well, thanks for watching our tour. Again, so this is a little different video. This is made more for the parents so that you can see, you know, just how we do some of the tricks that we have. And if your kids ever got scared from a video or something, you could show them this and tell them, hey, it's all make-believe. It's all for fun. Thanks for watching.
Bye!
Bye.